Eating alone is one of the primary causes of unhappiness, second only to mental illness and financial problems. The solution? PlateMate. PlateMate is a unique networking platform that connects individuals and sets up a meeting over some great food. It enables individuals to explore new cuisines and new individuals by using Cohere to process text and discern an individual's preferences and interests. A matching algorithm then pairs users and highlights nearby restaurant options that fit their budgets. The app's recommendations consider a user's budget to help make managing finances easier.
I can start with creating an account on our website. First, I can input a username for my account and select a password of my choice and hit the sign up button. Now I'm prompted to enter a paragraph about myself to help PlateMate determine some information about what kind of things they should be recommending to me, as well as what kind of restaurants and people I should be interacting with. So I can say I enjoy playing basketball, programming, and spending time outdoors. I also enjoy coffee shops and South Asian foods. And now I'm prompted to enter any dietary restrictions that I may have. I'm allergic to peanuts and I'm also lactose intolerant, so I'll select that too. And I can also select a budget. Now the budget is the amount of money that I want to be spending at restaurants, and I can even spend more or less, set goals for my budgets. So if I want to save money, I can set a lower budget goal, or if I want to spend the same and a higher, etc., etc. So I'm going to select same. And now I can hit submit and create my account. When the user opens the application, they're greeted by this main page where they may input a destination where they would like to find a restaurant, find individuals to eat food with, and they may be recommended different restaurants in the area. Along with this feature, based on the information that the user inputted during account creation, we may pair them up and match them with other users. This user here is a test user that has been matched with my current user based on our compatible interests, and we may have the option to go to similar food places. Upon clicking this match button, we can finalize this decision to match and decide whether or not we want to go to a specific restaurant or not.
The frontend was built using React and styled with Tailwind CSS based on a mockup created on Figma. The backend was made using Express.js. Cohere's generative LLMs were used to extract user-specific keywords from brief user bios. After two users were matched, Cohere was used again to generate a brief justification of why the two users would be a good match and provide opportunities for exploration. The Google Maps platform APIs were used to display a dynamic map, provide autocomplete suggestions, and obtain lists of nearby restaurants. A Firebase Cloud Firestore was used for storing data and for authentication purposes.
Overall, this hackathon was a great experience for our team. While we ran into some challenges like working with long Cohere prompts and finding libraries for Google Maps API, there are many accomplishments that we are proud of. This was the first hackathon for two of our team members, and we managed to create a fully functioning full-stack web app with new technologies we had never used before, including Cohere and Google Maps API. We also learned a ton, including prompt engineering, route management, and UI UX design. In the future, we hope to implement a chat function and use Plaid's financial APIs to better help users regulate their spending.
As the world emerges from years of lockdown and the COVID-19 pandemic, it is more important than ever to find ways to reconnect with others and explore different perspectives. We hope that PlateMate will help you to find new restaurants and find new friends.